team, I hope you're ready for the mat part. We're gonna work for the abs, straight, deep, and lateral ones, so the obliques. So let's get down and let's get to work for that core. All right, I have several options for you again. So grab the back thighs with your hands and take it down vertebra by vertebra. Saddle on your back, on your mat. Good job. Bring the fingertips behind your ears. Elbows nice and wide. Option number one, ground your feet here and keep them shoulder width apart. Bring all that energy into your abdominals by pulling the navel in and up. And with the exhale, crunch it up. And inhale, drop it down. Exhale. So let's start with the base together to find the proper form and to find the breathing rhythm. It's exhale, rise up, and inhale, lay down. It's not only lifting the head, it's also lifting head and shoulder blades. If that works well for you, you need more spice to come into your strength. Lift the legs tabletop. Up, up. Still need more? Stretch the legs up. Point the feet. Works good? Speed it up if you want to. Up and down. Don't lose the control. If it's too fast, slow it down. Up, down, up. Give me 8 more. You can stay here with the feet on the ground. You can stay in tabletop. You can bring your legs up to the ceiling. It's up to you. Without a break, we switch to diagonal crunches. So right and left, alternately. Keep going. Up, down, up, down. Sometimes we say it elbow to thigh, but let's think about the shoulder. The shoulder wants to reach towards the knee, so you can lift a little bit higher and twist a little bit deeper. Let's bring both movements together into a flow. Crunch straight to the right. Again, straight. Now to the left. Nothing new, just a little combination. Up and to the left. 4 more rounds. When the legs get tired, bring the feet down. Enjoy the burn. When the burn is coming, here are some legs. When you twist to the right, you drop the left leg. When you twist to the left, you drop the other leg, the right one. You can also do this with the legs bent, or you skip the legs completely. Come on, 4 more. 3 more. 2. And then 1 more twist to the left and keep the right leg low. From here, we're gonna reach to the toes. Bring it back, knee, and stretch the legs. Tap, down, knee lift. Yes, double time, go. Reach the toes, knee lift. Switch to the other side, toes, and knee lift. To the other side, to the toes. Bend the leg, long leg. Bend the leg, keep going, keep going. Whoop. Last exercise, team. Push through it. Lengthen the legs more and more. Last 4, 3, 2, and 1. Ooh. Rest the head on the ground. Stretch the legs. Take a deep breath in. And release all the residual tension you may still holding in your body. Enjoying the warmth, maybe the heat in your body, the energy, the endorphins flowing through the whole body. Be proud that you showed up today, that you stepped out of the comfort zone. You came a bit closer to your goal. Enjoying the progress here in every second. Thank you so much for working out with me. I really enjoyed it. I hope you too. If you didn't know it yet, we also have some live streams via Zoom. I hope to get to know you there. Let's chat, let's work out together. I can give you real-time feedback there if you want to, so don't miss it. You can find the link over here or continue with one of my free YouTube workouts over here. Hope to see you there.